Now this illustration deals with the branch circuit requirements in accordance with NEC 411.7. Now notice in this illustration you have everything identified just like the previous illustrations. Your branch circuit is 20 amps or less now in accordance with 411.7. Your isolation transformer, you can read more about it in 411.6b. You know, when we install the Malibu lighting, which I have had the job of doing in many types of residential areas and occasionally some commercial areas, but we would take in a central location, we would cord and plug connect the isolation transformer in. Then we would connect, or later connect it, but we would lay out the branch circuit cable, and it's usually a square cable. We would take each lamp holder and we would place it on and mash it into the pins, take the supporting device cap, screw it down, it would mash and make contact, and laying the cable down in a certain location and a certain length, then we could place these lamps holders anywhere we wanted to place them, and we could place red, blue, yellow, orange, different colored lamps to get the lighting effect that we desired for the location where we were installing this system of less than 30 volts. So this illustration is illustrating that the branch circuit would be 20 amps or less. If you use the cable like such as the Malibu lighting, you could install it as just mentioned. But if this cable was not accessible, so you could get to it, then it would have to meet one of the wiring methods in Chapter 3, you know, such as Romex, things like that, to route to the point where we might want to connect the isolation transformer or lamps or so forth. But as long as we use the less than 50 volt systems as we are required to do in accordance with Article 411, then this installation is a very usable, safe installation for the user in the home or the commercial office building, wherever it may be installed. Now, Figure 4-37 illustrates this branch circuit and how it must be installed and used in accordance with NEC 411.7.